Um, there's a classroom down the way that's got people in it. What percentage of those people are women? About 50. Yeah. So here's the thing. Your best guess in any situation for the percentage is 50%. Now, if that's not good enough, because you think, oh, I have better guesses, that's because you have other information. This is absent any information. Your best guess is 50%. Even if still you don't like that, mathematically, what should happen to n? Remember, n is the sample size we need to be within a certain amount. If there's something I don't know fundamentally, like what the hell p hat and q hat are, how should I get penalized for that? Should I have to take a smaller sample or a larger sample? Larger, to cover my ass for that thing I don't know. Making p hat and q hat each 0.5 mathematically makes n the biggest it could be. Some of you guys might realize that's related to maximizing the rectangle's area is making the side lengths the same, making it a square. P hat and q hat, making both the same, basically makes it a square. If you don't like what I just said, just always make p hat and q hat 0.5. In the book, you're going to see a formula that is 0.25 z squared over this. Well, what's 0.5 times 0.5? 0.25. That's where that came from. So now you can do part n on this, hopefully, right? Notice this number 2 is not related to number 1 at all. So if you haven't tried number 2 yet, go ahead and do it. If you're still on 1, that's all right. Keep going.